Hi, welcome back on my YouTube channel. My name is Cornel, and I want to show you one noise coming from the wheels and how you can fix it. What you have to do is to remove the plastic cover. And now to check all these metal parts, which one is making noise. After we checked all them, we put the wheel cover back. And we'll use some cable tie to make them to be more fixed. And this is all what you have to do. Now will be a lot better. I just finished it. Now let's go for another drive and to see how it works. As you see, the car is not making any noise from the wheels now. I fixed the problem with the cover, the plastic cover, what makes the noise. Have a lovely day. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.